Good day everyone. We're going to discuss chapter 19, specifically on the topic the building electrical system. I'm Hamdan A. Tungantong, today's presenter. So our discussion for today is all about the building electrical system. So first, what is the building electrical system? So the electrical building system, there are many possible electrical systems that can be used to distribute power in a building. And so it is similar the nervous system of the human body. It distributes power on the power of the different parts of the building and contributes to the controls and communications. Some of the primary electrical assemblies include the transformer, power distribution panel, latch fixtures, telecommunication, and security equipment. So typically, system design with the selection of the building system voltage, which depends on the types or size and to the connecting loads. Utilities near the building, local codes, and ordinance, economics, and safety. Larger installations have greater power requirements and thus require higher building system voltage. Smaller installation such as residences use lower voltage system to avoid exposing occupation to safety issue related to the higher voltage. Larger installation may operate at higher voltage, often with the 11 kilovolt supplies of feeders at the original of the installation. These networks are referred to as high voltage networks. And power conversion from 11 kilovolts networks down to the 230 volts to 400 volt range is usually undertaken by a transformer in a substation. The electrical building system has typical types which are residential system, multifamily dwellings, and commercial or industrial system. Residential system. Some would say residential system means a ground-mounted or rooftop distributed solar generation system designed and installed for residential application which released by or subject to a power purchase agreement with the owner of the residential of the purpose of generating electricity for that resident. Normally, 120 to 240 volts, 3-wire single phase service, entrance service, and residence. In some cases where it is the only service available, 120 to 208 volts, 3-wire single phase service entrance is used. From a single panel board rated from 100 to 200 ampere or more. Power is distributed throughout the residence through branch SIR ACE313 circuits. These branch circuits originated at the panel board are protected by the overcurrent protection in the panel board and terminate at outlet serving appliances, equipment, and lighting. But then, this branch circuit originated at the panel board are protected by overcurrent protection in the panel board and terminate at outlets servicing appliances, equipment, and lighting. And large residence as a set of feeder may extend from the main panel board and bring power to the one more sub-panel boards. Located at the remote area of the building, branch circuits originating at the sub-panel board feed outlets in these outlying areas. The following image are example of residential electrical system. And there's the example of pictures of residential electrical system, the underground electric distribution, line servicing at the residential development being bored and tracked, and underground distribution lines and readied for connection to exterior transformer. Then others, the power transformer and power filters prepared for installation, and etc. And others is the outlet, the roof-in requested lighting fixtures, roofing in lighting box, and etc. Then last is multifamily dwellings. Multifamily dwellings means as the structure that contains, second to the last, multifamily dwellings means the structure of contains more than one separate residential dwelling unit, which is used to occupied or intended to be used or occupied in whole or in a part as the home of a residence of the one or more person. In the other hand, multifamily dwellings containing the three or more dwellings units, such as the families living independently of the one another, and which is the number of the families not exceeding the number of the dwelling units, and which is not single family attached dwellings. In multi-family dwelling units, example is the apartment, condominium, and power brought from a utilities transformer to the build ACE313 in service equipment. Its dwelling is increased by the separate panel board located in the dwelling unit. Branch circuit extended from a panel board to feed outlets within the unit. House panel board branches the circuit to the serve common areas. Example is the corridors, laundry rooms, lobbies, and so forth. And then example is the apartment, building, row house, townhouse, condominium, or manufactured building. And lastly, commercial industrial systems. Large commercial and industrial facilities have a large and varied fire requirements to the necessitate different type of system for different building occupies. And in a typically large building, electrical power is provided to the transformer located outside of the building of it enters transformer X002, both located at the service level in the building. A transformer board is the basement or group level structure or room in which power transformer networks protectors, voltage regulators, circuit breakers, meters, and so on are housed. In this system, generally handle in the installation and maintenance of electrical components is businesses. This includes office buildings, housing development, hospital, and school. This typically involve the security system, air conditioning system, cabling, lighting, and other equipments. This system is include everything from the utility service entrance through to on-site electrical generation, power distribution, UPS, and the power quality and grounding. Electrical protection. It is the it also involves various sub-electrical system involving its high voltage, energy management, building automation, fire and life, safety system, communications, and security. This leads to the idea of integrated building electrical systems. Also focus on equipment such as protective relays, fuses, and circuits, breakers, electrical grounding equipment, right type of transformers, motors and drives, electrical safety practices, wiring cabling and wiring device, and software and apps. So in typically larger building, electrical power is a provide to a transformer located outside the building, or it enters a transformer board located at the service level in the building.